Imagine the Lofoten Islands, where jagged peaks pierce the Arctic sky, rising from the sea like ancient sentinels. Picture a place where the midnight sun casts a golden glow over crystalline waters. Envision quaint fishing villages nestled between towering cliffs and turquoise fjords, their red and white cottages dotting the shoreline. Feel the rush of the ocean breeze as it carries the scent of salt and seaweed, blending with the crisp air of untouched wilderness. Hear the cry of seabirds echoing against the mountains. Mingling with the distant hum of fishing boats returning with their daily catch. Imagine the surreal beauty of white sand beaches contrasting with snow-capped mountains. Where every turn reveals a new vista more breathtaking than the last. Experience the harmony of nature and tradition, where time seems to slow down, inviting you to explore, to dream, to be mesmerized. The Lofoten Islands, a land of raw, unspoiled beauty, where dramatic landscapes and peaceful surroundings blend perfectly.